In this exercise, we have to create the following model, this one here. So here we have to use, on the front view, we're going to create this sketch. So here we can see that we have a thickness of 5 millimeters. So we have two choices here. We can create only one line, like this, and then we can use offset entities. Or we can only create one line, and then we can use a thickness in the Extruded Boss base. Or the third way, which is the most complicated way, we can create here line by line as we see here. Then we're going to extrude this sketch 100 millimeters as we see here. And then we're going to create this cut as we can see here. Here we have 10 millimeters and here we have offset distance 2 millimeters. So let's go to SOLIDWORKS. Let's go on the front plane. Let's create a sketch. Now let's go with a line and let's start here. With this horizontal line, let's go to the origin. Let's go with a vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line down. This is not vertical. Let's make it vertical. Let's go with a line again. Let's go here, up, and this is it. Now let's go to smart dimensions. Let's put here 125 millimeters. Let's go here with 80 millimeters. Let's go here with 60 millimeters. Then here we have 30 millimeters, 20 millimeters, and 15 millimeters. Like this. Let's click OK. Now we can see that our sketch is not fully defined. Let's see what's going on. OK, you must click on this line. Let's make this line vertical. And let's click OK. And now this is fully defined sketch. So now we have two options. We can go straight to the features, Extruded Boss base, like this. And here we can go with thickness, as we can see. We can go with thickness 5 millimeters, like this. And let's go here with 100 millimeters. And this is our model. So this is the one way how we can do this. Let's cancel this. Let's go to the sketch again. The second way how we can do this, we can go here to the offset entities. Let's go here with the offset distance 5 millimeters. Let's click on this line here. And now we got, as you can see, the preview. And here we have one option, cap ends. We can put a cap here, but this is arc. We can check here lines. Now we have a line here. Let's click OK. And now we got this sketch. Now we can also go to features, Extruded Boss base. Now we don't use thin feature. Now we can only go with 100 millimeters depth, like this. Now let's go here with midplane. Let's click OK. So either way you choose, it's correct way. Now we have to create a cut here. So let's go here on this side. Let's create a sketch here. Let's go normal 2. Now we're going to choose here corner rectangle, like this. Now we're going to click on this midpoint here. Hold Ctrl on the origin. Let's make it vertical. Let's go with a 10 millimeters, like this. And the offset here, we have 2 millimeters from this edge to this line, like this. Let's click OK. Now we can go to features, Extruded Cut, and here we have to choose the depth. We're going to go here up to surface, and we're going to choose this surface here. Let's click OK. And this is the model that we're looking for. So there are a few ways how you can create this model. Always choose the fastest and the most simple way to create a model.